Okay, I know it looks like it is April 13th, but in reality, you could tell because you just saw me dressed like this. Today's Saturday, and you guys just drove all the way around my little neighborhood area here, honking and giving me posters, and I had to go redo my makeup, and whew, that was amazing. That was so amazing seeing your faces, you guys. That's what I've missed. All of this stuff I could do by myself. But what I can't do by myself is see you. And so thank you so much for taking your Saturday and coming by. And it was just amazing. So amazing. So thank you. On we go. I've got my flowers over here. Can you see them? Oh yeah. And my cards. You already saw my posters. So this is Monday the 13th. We're in week 4. We're going to be doing your math chapter 19 assignment pages 417 and 18. Okay. So we will do a couple together, then I'm going to have you pause the video, do all the rest of the problems by yourself, and then come back and we'll check them. And I'm just putting you on your honor. I know you are honest children and I can trust you. Okay, but we will do this part together right now, okay? So this is page 417, the first problem they have done for you. So we are going to do the second problem. So we're subtracting. Again, it's more on the floor, go next door. That's not the case here. So what is 5 minus 4? You're right, it's 1. What is 1 take away 7? 6? You think? Did I hear a 6? I thought I heard a 6. Actually, there's more on the floor. So you go next door. So you go to your hundreds. That leaves 600 because you're actually borrowing 100. How could you put 100 in the tens place? You can call it 10 tens. So 10 tens, 1 10 makes 11 tens. So 11 take away 7. You're right. 4, you got that one right. And 6 take away 3 is 3, right? Good. Now, let's go to the next one. 8 take away 6. More on the floor? Nope. You got yourself a 2. 7 take away 5. Do we need to regroup? 5 is less than 7. Good. And 3 is 1 less than 4. Okay, so look at page 418. That's where these problems are. So go ahead and pause. I will look like this for a while, and then come back and you can check your answers together. Okay, ready? Pause. Okay, good. You're back. Let's check your answers. Alrighty, I was going to change colors, but that's okay. So, did you get 7 take away 1 is 6? Did you get 2 take away 7 is 5? I hope not. I hope you went next door and regrouped. And you got 12 take away 7. That's ironic. That is 5. And 5 take away 4 is 1. So give yourself a grade there. By grading them, you're just making it easier. Your parents don't have to grade it for you. 8 take away 6, 6, 7, 8. I always count up as if I was adding. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. 16 take away 7. That's 9. I had to think about it. And we don't put the 0 in the very front, right, guys? Okay. 5 minus 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have gotten 3. 3 take away 6 is not 3 because there's more on the floor. So go next door. And 13 take away 6 should be 7, right? Yes, I'm getting better at this. And 3 take away 2 is 1. If you got that one, Give yourself a grade if you got that one. Mark it correct. 2 take away 2 is always going to be nothing. 8 is more than 4. I know 4 plus 4 makes 8. 3 minus 1 is 2 because 2 plus 1 makes 3, right? Good. Okay, 5 minus 2, did you get 3 there? Good. 3 minus 4, did you get 1 there? I hope not. I keep trying to trick you, but you guys are untrickable. So we had to go next door and get 10 more. 13 is 9, and 3 take away 1 is 2. I'm just double checking, making sure I've got the right answers too. 4 minus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 is less than 8, more on the floor. Go next door, get 10 more. 17 take away 8 should be 9. Yes. And 5 take away 4 is 1. 192, if you got that one. Okay, I'm going to squeeze down here to number 7. 7 is greater than 3. Did you write 4? Good. 6 is not greater than 8. We had to go next door. And 16, I know 8 plus 8 is 16, so I got that one. And 4, 1 less is 3. Okay. Good. 8 take away 7, I did not have to regroup, but if I have nothing, can I take away 1? Absolutely not. So I go next door and I make it a 10 because I borrowed 100, 10 tenths. 10 take away 1 is 9. 4, 5, 6. 291, if you got that one right. Okay, over here, 6 take away 3 is 3. Is that the problem? Yes. 2 is less than 5. We had to go next door. You needed to make it a 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, yep, 7. And we do not put a 0 in front. Okay, did you get that one? Good. Now look at number 10. Did you get the two-step process for number 10? It says Mrs. Simon has a box of 215 paintbrushes. So she's got 215 of these little guys, right? Paintbrushes. Let me get this over here where I can see what I'm doing. She takes 3. She takes 3 of them away to use. And then she takes out 57 more for her students. How many are left in the box? Wow. She took out 3 and then she took out 57. So she's going to use 3 of them and her students are going to use 57 of them. So I take it they're going to have more than one paintbrush each, or she has way too many students. So we want to know how many are left. Are we going to add or subtract? Subtract, because we want to know how many are left. That means take away. What are we going to take away? Are we going to take away 3? We could do that. Are we going to take away 57? Then we could do that. But how about if we find out how many we have to take away altogether? That would make more sense. So what is 57 plus 3? 57, 58, 59, 60. So she actually took 60 out of the box, right? So you write down 215 minus 60. Make sure your 1s and your 10s are lined up, okay? 5 take away 0 is 5. 1 take away 6 is not 5. We had to go next door. 11 take away 6 is 5. And 1 take away absolutely nothing is 1. So your answer you're going to write on the line, there is a line over there, is 155. Paintbrushes are what are left, okay? All right, well that ends this math assignment for today. Okay, so stay tuned and we will get ready for language next, all right? So you want to grab your Little House on the Prairie, it's not Little House on the Prairie, your Little House in the Big Woods book, okay? And we're going to read together, which will be something new and it'll be fun, okay? We'll see you later.